Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to touch bases on textiles in Trimble Business Center. So under drafting tab you have first menu, it's a text menu. One is a text where you can create and insert text, you can modify a few properties, and you can pick from few text styles. Also, you can click new style, which is kind of a shortcut to Textile Manager, or there is an icon for Textile Manager itself. As you can see, Trimble comes pre-installed with a few different textile, the good old standard. Lately we've seen Arial 0.15 of an inch. I have my own created for my cut fills, and you can create a whole bunch of yours. So the new, let's try the new textile, and I'm gonna put an exclamation mark and call it standard. I'm gonna choose my font, so C-U-R, Korea new. Now where do I want a justification? So when I insert it, where do I want it, right? So let's go center left. Do I want it to be bold? For sure. Do I want it to be underlined? Not really. My width factor, my angle, whether I want it to auto flip, and I definitely want it wide out. For example, if I want to do it for cut fill. And for ground units, let's go with 2. So once I hit OK, that font is saved in there. So if I go back to my text, right, it's already there. Now I haven't figured out how to set it as a default font. There is no setting for that just yet, but doesn't hurt us to work on that. So when I go, for example, to text right now, it's a standard. The next step I can do is save my template right now, and that font would show up in every one of my templates. So this is how would you create your fonts, and you can create, like I said, for example, what I have is a cut fill. So that's the font I use for every single one of my cut fills. As you can see, I make sure it's wide out. It is, I have all the settings. So when I'm creating my cut fill maps, I'll hit a cut fill. I'm gonna choose my font to be cut fill standard. It's funny that somehow for example, when you go to drafting and you hit text, the standard is set by default. But as you saw, when I went and did my cut fill map, the fonts go in the alphabetical order. So when I put my exclamation mark in front of the standard font, it's first. So you almost want to do your settings of your fonts, or you want to erase all of them and just have one, which would then show up in every single option for the text, because you would only have one. I guess that's it for the textile. It's pretty straightforward. Any questions, let me know, and we'll see you next one.